To my YouTube channel and my eBay sellers account, gbhatchery. This is a listing specific video for this Batman mask, and you can see it's trying to talk. When I talk into it, it changes the voice and sounds like this. I am Batman, a friend of Darth Vader. Batman's actually possibly in cahoots with Darth Vader, I'm not sure, but they both wear masks, all black, so I don't know. But it has this button and you can press it.
City needs me. Time for justice.
He talks about justice, but I'm not sure.
You can't defeat me, Superman. You've met your match.
So he's against Superman. What does that tell you?
Your heat vision can't hurt me, Superman. My armor will protect me. Villains, beware. Batman is here. You can't defeat me, Superman. Your day is over.
So this is in good condition. I'm going to turn it off. It has... This is just, it has two settings here. That was the all the way to the right, if you were looking at it, and this is the all the way to the left.
You can't defeat me, Superman. Your day is over.
This is
voice changer activated.
See, now the voice changer is activated, but it's only for a little bit, and then it'll turn off. So it's only after he says something, and then the voice changer comes on. And this this other setting, it stays on all the time. And then this is just off in the middle. So they're similar functions. And this strap is good. You can see everything's fine there. And this strap is okay. And then this strap that would go down from the top has a loop. So you put those two straps to this one, and it's adjustable. And it fits on an adult's face. So I don't know what kind of batteries it takes. It has a hatch right there. I'm guessing 3 AA's, but I really don't know. I didn't want to go that far because it works, and I just thought I'd send it out with the batteries that are in it and just move on from there. So it looks like it's made out of like foam or something just to look at it, but actually that's plastic. So they must have etched the mold or something. And those scratches are built in. And there's LEDs. There's the button that does the work. I have it turned off so it's not working. And it weighs 9 ounces, so it's not real heavy. And it's really nice. And it's a fun toy, and I can see why a lot of people would really want to have this. So this one is pre-owned, so you're going to get a good price as compared to new. And there's really nothing wrong with it. And the batteries are there, so there's really less to worry about. And it'll just show up ready to go. So if you like it, buy it now.